Hemali. That's it. Not Hemali. Hemali. Right? Okay. I know that sounds exactly the same, doesn't it? Ooh, I like the different angle. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Okay. All right. So today is what, April 13th? Yes? April 13th. This is Hemali. My name is Jym with a Y. That's J-Y-M. Okay. So tonight, by the way, you guys did awesome because that was all silver level patterns. And for those of us that I didn't know how to do it, guess what? Awesome. You passed. Awesome. So congratulations. All right. I like that because you break it down, anybody can do it, right? Okay. So what we did is we did our silver level bolero. Okay. And I don't even know what you want to call this amalgamation. It just came out of my head. So we're going to start with our basic. So we did slow, quick, quick, slow. We talked about syncopations and how we can add them into our bolero to kind of break up the monotony of the slow, quick, quick, right? So we did quick and quick, slow. And when I did that, I went to a two-hand hold. Watch again. So I did my basic, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow. Two-hand hold. Go into a grapevine. Quick and quick, slow. Crossover. Quick, quick, quick and quick. We did our syncopated turn. Now we do our fallaway grapevine. Quick, or slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So let's do that again in its entirety. She did good. She just, all right, there we go. There we have our basic again. So we have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, quick and quick, quick and slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Woo! Nice job, everybody. All right, request.